Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to mass delete emails in your Gmail. Is your Gmail inbox overflowing? Let's clean it up fast. Here's how to mass delete emails in Gmail in just a few clicks. First, open Gmail and log into your account. At the top left, click on the checkbox right above your emails. This selects all the emails on the current page, usually about 50. But if you want to delete all emails in a specific category, like your entire promotions or social tab, look for the Select All Conversations option that appears right after you check the box. Click on it and Gmail will select everything in that category, not just what's on the first page. Next, click the trash icon at the top. Gmail will ask if you're sure, so click OK and boom, your emails are gone. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.